Hello, little friends. Welcome back to our fun alphabet adventure. Today, we are going to learn about a joyful letter. Can you guess what it is? That's right. It's the letter J. J is the 10th letter of the alphabet, and it starts so many joyful words. Let's learn the interesting new words that starts with alphabet J. A jackal is a wild animal that looks a bit like a dog. It has a slim body, pointy ears, and a bushy tail. Jackals are found in Africa and Asia and are known for being clever and quick. They eat different kinds of food, like small animals and fruits. Jackals start with the letter J, which sounds like Jew. When you think of a jackal, remember the letter J and how this smart animal lives in the wild, often in groups called packs. Jackals are interesting creatures that play an important role in their natural habitats. A jaguar is a big, strong cat that lives in the rainforests of Central and South America. It has a beautiful, spotted coat that helps it blend in with the trees and shadows. Jaguars are excellent swimmers and can hunt for fish, birds, and other animals. They start with the letter J, which sounds like Jew. When you think of a jaguar, remember the letter J and how this powerful, spotted cat is known for its speed and strength. Jaguars are majestic animals and an important part of the rainforest ecosystem. A jellyfish is a sea creature with a soft, bell-shaped body and long, wiggly tentacles that hang down. It floats in the water and can be found in oceans around the world. Jellyfish come in many colors and sizes, and some can even glow in the dark. They start with the letter J, which sounds like Jew. When you think of a jellyfish, remember the letter J and how this fascinating sea creature moves gently through the water. Jellyfish are unique and beautiful, making the ocean an even more interesting place to explore. A junco is a small, lively bird that is often found in North America. It has a round body with a dark head and a light-colored belly. Junco birds like to hop around on the ground and eat seeds. They start with the letter J, which sounds like Jew. When you think of a junco, remember the letter J and how this tiny bird is known for its cheerful, quick movements and beautiful colors. Junco birds are fun to watch and are a common sight in gardens and forests, making nature even more delightful. A jar is a container with a lid that helps keep things fresh and safe. It is usually made of glass or plastic and can hold food like jam, cookies, or pickles. Jars come in different sizes and shapes and are used for storing many different things. They start with the letter J, which sounds like Jew. When you think of a jar, remember the letter J and how this handy container helps us keep our food and other items organized. Jars are useful and come in handy for keeping things clean and ready to use. A jug is a container used for holding and pouring liquids like water, juice, or milk. It has a handle and a spout, which makes it easy to pour the liquid without spilling. Jugs come in different sizes and are usually made of plastic, glass, or ceramic. They start with the letter J, which sounds like Jew. When you think of a jug, remember the letter J and how this useful item helps us serve drinks and keep liquids handy. Jugs are great for keeping your favorite drinks close by and easy to pour. Jewelry is a special type of decoration people wear to look pretty. It includes things like necklaces, bracelets, rings, and earrings. Jewelry can be made from shiny metals, colorful stones, or even pearls. It starts with the letter J, which sounds like Jew. When you think of jewelry, remember the letter J and how these beautiful pieces are worn to add sparkle and style. Jewelry is often given as gifts for special occasion and can make people feel happy and elegant. It's fun to see and wear, adding a touch of magic to our outfits. A juicer is a machine used to squeeze juice from fruits and vegetables. It helps turn apples, oranges, carrots, and more into delicious, fresh drinks. The juicer has a special part that spins very fast to crush the fruits and vegetables and separate the juice from the pulp. It starts with the letter J, which sounds like Jew. When you think of a juicer, remember the letter J and how this handy machine helps make tasty and healthy drinks. Juicers are great for making your favorite juices and enjoying the flavors of fresh fruits and veggies. Jam is a sweet spread made from fruits like strawberries, raspberries, or grapes. It's cooked with sugar to make it thick and sticky. Jam is often spread on bread or toast for breakfast, or used to fill pastries and desserts. It starts with the letter J, which sounds like Jew. When you think of jam, remember the letter J and how this tasty treat adds flavor to your snacks. Jam comes in many flavors and is enjoyed by people of all ages, making it a fun and yummy addition to your meals. Jelly is a sweet, wobbly treat made from fruit juice, sugar, and gelatin. It comes in many flavors, like grape, strawberry, and orange, and has a fun, jiggly texture. Jelly is often served as a dessert or snack and can be eaten on its own or with other foods. It starts with the letter J, which sounds like Jew. When you think of jelly, remember the letter J and how this colorful and tasty dessert wobbles and jiggles on your plate. Jelly is a fun and delicious way to enjoy fruity flavors and adds a special touch to meals. Jackfruit is a large, green fruit with a spiky skin. Inside, it has sweet, yellow flesh that tastes like a mix of pineapple and banana. It's very big and can grow to be as large as a watermelon. Jackfruit starts with the letter J, which sounds like Jew. When you think of jackfruit, remember the letter J and how this unique fruit is both tasty and fun to eat. It can be eaten fresh or cooked, and it's used in many dishes around the world. Jackfruit is a special fruit with a lot of flavor and surprises. Juice is a yummy drink made from squeezing fruits or vegetables. It comes in many flavors, like orange, apple, and grape, and is often enjoyed with meals or as a refreshing treat. Juice starts with the letter J, which sounds like Jew. When you think of juice, remember the letter J and how this tasty drink helps you stay hydrated and enjoy the flavors of fruits and veggies. Juice can be enjoyed in a glass or added to smoothies, making it a fun and healthy choice for kids and grown-ups alike. Xiaoji are tasty dumplings that come from China. They are filled with meat and vegetables and are usually cooked by steaming or frying. Xiaoji start with the letter J, which sounds like Jew. When you think of Xiaoji, remember the letter J and how these little, door-wrapped goodies are a fun and yummy treat to eat. They can be enjoyed with dipping sauces and are often served at special meals or celebrations. Xiaoji are delicious and show how different cultures have their own unique and tasty foods. A jacket is a piece of clothing that keeps you warm when it's cold outside. It has sleeves, a front zipper or buttons, and can be made from different materials like cotton, wool, or leather. Jackets come in many styles and colors, and they are often worn over other clothes to stay cozy. A jacket starts with the letter J, which sounds like Jew. When you think of a jacket, remember the letter J and how this useful item helps protect you from the chilly weather. Jackets are great for staying warm and looking stylish. Jeans are a type of pants made from a strong, blue fabric called denim. They have two legs and often have pockets where you can keep small things. Jeans are very comfortable and can be worn for many activities, like playing, going to school, or just hanging out. They start with the letter J, which sounds like Jew. When you think of jeans, remember the letter J and how these cool and durable pants are a favorite for many people. Jeans come in different styles and are perfect for everyday wear. A jumpsuit is a one-piece outfit that covers your whole body. It has sleeves and pants all in one, making it easy to wear. Jumpsuits can be made from different materials and come in many colors and styles. They start with the letter J, which sounds like Jew. When you think of a jumpsuit, remember the letter J and how this fun and simple outfit is both stylish and comfortable. Jumpsuits are great for playing, going to parties, or just hanging out. They make getting dressed quick and easy, and they look cool, too. A jean jacket is a type of jacket made from denim, the same fabric as jeans. It has sleeves and buttons or a zipper in the front. This jacket is usually blue and has a casual, stylish look. It starts with the letter J, which sounds like Jew. When you think of a jean jacket, remember the letter J and how this cool and comfy jacket is perfect for layering over shirts or dresses. Jean jackets are great for staying warm while looking fashionable and are a fun addition to any outfit. A Jeep is a type of car that is strong and designed for driving on rough roads and off-road adventures. It has big, sturdy wheels and can carry more people and gear. Jeeps are great for exploring places like mountains, forests, and deserts. They start with the letter J, which sounds like Jew. When you think of a Jeep, remember the letter J and how this tough and adventurous vehicle helps people go on exciting journeys and discover new places. Jeeps are perfect for fun trips and outdoor adventures. A jet ski is a small, fast boat that you ride on the water. It looks like a big, colorful toy and goes very quickly across lakes or oceans. You sit on it and hold on to the handlebars while it zooms over the waves. Jet skis are often used for fun and adventure on the water. They start with the letter J, which sounds like Jew. When you think of a jet ski, remember the letter J and how this exciting watercraft makes splashing and riding on the water super fun. Jet skis are great for thrilling rides and water play. A jumper is a cozy piece of clothing that you wear to keep warm. It covers your arms and body and usually has long sleeves and a soft, stretchy material. Jumpers can be made from wool, cotton, or other comfy fabrics and come in many colors and designs. They start with the letter J, which sounds like Jew. When you think of a jumper, remember the letter J and how this warm and comfy item is perfect for chilly days or just relaxing at home. Jumpers are great for staying cozy and looking stylish. Japan is a country in Asia known for its unique culture and beautiful landscapes. It has tall mountains, like Mount Fuji, and bustling cities, such as Tokyo. Japan is famous for its delicious food like sushi and noodles, and it has many traditional festivals and beautiful cherry blossoms. It starts with the letter J, which sounds like Jew. When you think of Japan, remember the letter J and how this fascinating country has a rich history and lots of exciting things to explore. Japan is a place full of wonderful experiences and amazing sights. A jigsaw puzzle is a fun game where you put together many small pieces to make a complete picture. Each piece has a special shape that fits with others, and when you place them all correctly, you reveal a beautiful image. Jigsaw puzzles come in different sizes and themes, like animals, places, or cartoons. They start with the letter J, which sounds like Jew. When you think of a jigsaw puzzle, remember the letter J and how this enjoyable activity helps you practice problem solving and see a picture come to life piece by piece. A jump rope is a long, thin rope with handles on each end. You use it by holding the handles and swinging the rope over your head and under your feet. It's a fun activity that helps you jump and exercise at the same time. Jump ropes come in different colors and sizes and are often used for playing games or keeping fit. They start with the letter J, which sounds like Jew. When you think of a jump rope, remember the letter J and how this simple, fun tool helps you stay active and enjoy jumping games.